And today we're well, all of my videos really have been today, I'm not gonna lie, but, it's late, and I'm opening some more Obsidian series from Minecraft. My Xbox me and my brother's Xbox just fell over and stuff, but it's fine. So I really hope y'all like this, and we're gonna do some more, but for quite a little while where I'll be like recording my brother playing, sometimes I'll play, and he'll record me.
I will?
Yeah, please. But here we go. Here is me unboxing some more Minecraft Obsidian series. I'm a dragon ripping stuff open. Okay, I'm gonna go get scissors. I ended up moving just to show you the last time what I got. I'm actually just gonna move the camera. I'm sorry if the moving is really annoying. I agree. I watch YouTube's sometimes and they move their camera a lot. I'm sorry, but I have to record on a phone. And my brother is talking with his friends. But here we go. Let me just pick him up and stuff. But guys, I'm super sorry for having to do this. I got all of these. Oh, where? Okay, so I got these. You can't quite see them. Okay. I got this.
Guys, I'm respawning, by the way.
This.
Oh, that's cool. He changed his name.
And this. Okay, so guys, I hope my last video I didn't say what number of things I wanted, likes. Can I get it up to at least 3 likes? And things like that, but I'm tired and I'm rambling and I need to finish this. And I did grab scissors so I didn't have to rip things open. Okay, so I'm sitting on my knees and it's painful. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a repeat of the creeper. It's still super big. No, it's not! It's not a repeat. Hold on. I'll be right back. But, and I dropped it in. But, guys, I just got the most amazing thing. The spider spawner. Okay, so I don't have to manhandle these anymore. I can just cut them open fine and carefully. There we go. Okay. Okay. It sounds like I got way more things than that I should have. And I'm hoping I don't get any repeats. I got this looks like a knife, it's not, it's scissors. But I just got the most one that I wanted and it is so adorable.
But this is a knife.
But this is so adorable. It's so adorable. It goes through his head. I can't believe this. It's so cute. You can't see him really. Maybe if I point to go at the light. Can y'all see him? But it is the screaming Enderman. He's so cute. He's like, I'll get you back. And I have one more, guys. And I'll show you this. It's super fun. And just to prove that it's not a knife.
Guys, I hate creepers.
My brother's dying by the sneaking creeper.
That sneaking creeper, he was creeping on me.
second. Very last one. Pointed at my ceiling. Sorry. You're pointed at my ceiling, and I'm pretty sure it's a repeat. Is it a repeat? Guys, no, it's a repeat. Why you gotta give me repeats?
You gotta give me repeats. That's how it goes.
Not to worry, guys. I just took him out of it. Just broke.
You gotta give me repeats.
I just broke open this thing, so now it's just like a square prison, and I got the spider out of it.
You gotta give me
So I actually got 2 in 1. Yeah. Guys, I hope you liked that. And bye. Or as my friend Zoe says it, see you guys in the next den. Bye. Bye. Bye.